Ignition. We have liftoff.
We do not drink Fahrenheit around here. We only drink Celsius around here. Look at this 1 year chart. Look at it. And when I go into Costco, all I see is boxes upon boxes of Alani Nu, of Celsius, piled high, halfway to the ceiling. I go in there the next day, they're gone. The women love Alani Nu. They're buying it before work. They want to drink it before work, before a workout, after work. The men love the Celsius. I see women drink a lot of Celsius too, but I love the Celsius. And I go in there the next day, the boxes are gone. They're absolutely gone. It's amazing. This is a big box store. This is Costco. And when I go into my local CVS, yes, of course, you're going to have the monster of energy drinks, Red Bull, at the top. But then you're going to have a lot of shelf space for Celsius and all the different flavors. And you're going to have shelf space for Alani Nu. And Alani Nu is always empty. It's always empty. The women are drinking a lot of this stuff. I've never tried it before, but I need to try it. I know it's geared towards women. I just want to try it. But in the pricing of Alani Nu, the pricing of Celsius, it's always better than Red Bull. It's always more competitive than Red Bull. It's always more competitive than Monster. I love to see it. And analysts at William Blair want to get into the action. What are they saying? They expect the company that will now post earnings of 24 cents per share for the quarter, up from 20 cents. So they're getting aggressive here. And a number of research firms have also recently weighed in on Celsius. Goldman, they want to be at 72. Mizuho, they want to be at 90. UBS, they want to be at 73, and on and on. And we do understand when a stock gets to where, closer to 52-week highs, the insiders are going to offload. And that's okay. We got a couple insiders offloading, but we have institutions coming in full force to pick up their slack. And let me show you here, institutional investors, they're coming in. Alliance Bernstein, they want to increase their stake by 3.4%. Ameriprise Financial, they say, let me one up you. We're increasing our stake 20%. Invesco Ltd is going to go up 1.8%. And Holocene Advisors says, hold my beer. We're going 130%, increasing our stake. So really great to see the institutions picking up before the earnings. I think they know what's going on here. I think we know what's going to happen. I think I know what's going to happen. I am holding my shares through earnings, whether it goes up or down. Whether it goes down, if it goes down, it goes down. But I'm holding it. And now Citigroup wants to get in on the action. They're saying it's going to 73. Citi says 73. And they're saying Alani Nu, the acquisition, Alani Nu will move to PepsiCo's distribution system in the U.S. and Canada. And also Pepsi raised its stake in Celsius by 11%. Now they're saying with the momentum building across the energy category, Celsius, the brand continues to lead, fueling household penetration, expanding shelf space, and outperforming expectations. Everybody's getting pumped up for earnings November 5th. Alani Nu saw record sales thanks to the strong limited time offer, LTO, innovation, performance, and organic growth throughout the brand's core flavors. Celsius now completed acquisition of Alani Nu, a fast-growing energy drink brand that is expected to boost the combined company's market share. Additionally, the company's core business improved sequentially through March and started the second quarter poised to return to positive growth. It is looking good. And more news here. Celsius launches limited edition Spritz Vibe flavor for the winter season. They're starting to bring out limited drinks for each season. As it comes around, you'll see it in your stores here soon. This one's called Sparkling Snowball Frost Variety. Celsius has introduced a new limited edition seasonal flavor, Spritz Vibe, and it's described as a blend of winter-kissed citrus notes in a sparkling snowball frost variety. Oh, that sounds pretty good. And what do they want to do? They want to transport your taste buds to moments and destinations around the world. All right, let's do it. And looking at the 5-year chart, look at this run up of 4 years, and then it absolutely dumped. There was the Pepsi issue with the inventory buildup. The sales were slowing. Then they acquired Alani Nu, and then rocket ship. We're going back. We need to get to 70 before or after earnings. End of 2026, I'm predicting we're back up to all-time highs, $100 per share. That is my goal. If we look at the income statement, it looks so pretty. Here's the quarterly and from March, and then Alani Nu, and look at the jump, 83% year-over-year change. It's coming, folks. It's going to be, I think it's going to be huge. I think it's going to be huge come November 5th. I'm so excited. If it dumps, I'm sorry. I'm still going to hold, but I got to hold through earnings. I just got to hold. Look at this chart. Look up the 6-month chart. Oh my God, it's so beautiful.
Next up, we look at Celsius, which has been expanding its partnership with Pepsi. Tell me about the story here.
Well, a really fantastic move off the lows, of course. We're seeing it up more than 170% off of the lows achieved in February. Year to date, the stock's also up 123%. But this is, of course, following a very big drawdown. So not terribly out of the norm. I've given us an 18-month chart to look at because what I wanted to pay attention to was the breakdown level. That's the red line above us at about $68 a share. I think bulls are thinking that they have a chance to get there. The breakdown was significant here, but we've had a level of support held between 49 and 50. And then the last 2 days of price action brought us from below the 50-day moving average to above it. And it looks like a break of that downtrending white line that I've drawn in the chart here. So some traders might be looking at that $49 to $50 area as potential short-term support. And from a risk reward standpoint, maybe today's red candle might offer a little better entry signal if your goal is to target that $68 level as an example. But as always, having a plan as